this is Jonah Mart, and we're covering the arrival of Mr. Jack Wu.
Andrew.
We are here at Domingo, Lacson National High School, and we are all in frenzy now as we're welcoming Jack Wu. The Association of Negros Artists have contributed artworks in there. So as you can see, this is our mural, and we also have the metal sculpture. So you will see that later in the day. And we are welcoming the arrival of Mr. Jack Wu. There he is, Mr. Jack Wu. Welcome by the students of Domingo Lacson. Enjoying this together with Miss Penny
Alumni President General Victor Ebrado, retired teachers.
I will ask now Mr. Jack Wu to please be on stage, and for inspiring today's youth to dream big, ma'am, if you can present the plaque to Mr. Jack Wu. From Just Wish Foundation founder Mr. Jack Wu to Principal Josette Aurora. And from Principal Aurora to our Student Council President, Noe de la Cruz.
Let's all give our thanks to Mr. Jack Wu.
We have Sonia's Furniture over here. Thank you so much for the custom furnitures. We have Nelson's Furniture as well. It's Nelson's Furniture here. We have the Association of Negros Artists.
Yay!
Association of Negros Artists with their head, Joanne Honorides.
Lord, we know the familiar words. If the Lord does not build the house, in vain do its builders labor. We would like to dedicate this Just With Learning Hub in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
All right, Jack, any words before we cut the ribbon?
Well, I just want to say that one more time. Never stop learning. Never stop learning. The day you stop learning, that's the time your mind will no longer looking for new information. And I am very humble and very blessed to have an opportunity to speak in front of a lot of you today. Believe in yourself, okay? If you don't believe in yourself, nobody's going to believe in you. Work hard. Work hard does not guarantee you success. But if you don't work hard, you guarantee failures. Okay? And always have faith. Always have faith. Always believe that tomorrow when you wake up, the sun will rise up. If you're a good human being, right here, things will work out for you if you work hard. Don't just be a good human being and lazy. It ain't gonna do nothing for you. You gotta be a good human being and keep searching for that one dream. Whether it's like a gentleman was saying, those people who like to dance, find that one passion in life. Whatever that might be. It could be interior design. It could be performing like a dancer. It could be whatever. Find that one thing that you have passion about. You wake up in the morning, you are fired up about what you do, that's the one thing. Don't quit. Keep doing it. But if you wake up in the morning, you don't feel good about what you're doing, time to give up. Because in life, nobody forces you to do things you don't want to do. Always do what is right. Don't take any shortcuts. In life, there's a lot of shortcuts, a lot of things that you can hurt other people. Many people today take shortcuts. They might be successful quicker, faster, but it will not be a long time. Always doing what's right. If you do that, success is going to come to you one day. And you're going to have sustaining success, not just attaining success. Okay? That's my words.
Thank you so much, Jack. 1, 2, 3! The Just Fish Learning Hub is open!